Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Payl8r. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in payl8r.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Payl8r website. Now from the homepage, if you have forgotten your password, then you can reset it by clicking on the login section. Just click on your appropriate login and you will be taken into the login portal. Now from the login portal, click on I have forgotten my password and you will be able to reset it. Just type in the email address that you used to sign up for your account and then click on the submit button. Once you click on submit, you will receive a verification email within your email address. Just check your inbox and open the email from Payl8r and you will find a link that you can click on to reset your password. After clicking on this link, you will be allowed to create your new password, and once you type in your desired new password, click on the reset button and your password will successfully be reset. And from this point on, you can use your newly set password along with your original email address to directly log into your Payl8r account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Payl8r. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.